Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome docking station for your PC. It has so many ports to connect to your laptop for literally anything. For example, it has a USB-C to USB 3.0, so you have everything right here in this docking station. So it's very convenient. You can plug everything right here and then send the signal from this docking station to your laptop. It's super convenient too because it's also a space saver. As you can see here in my setup, I just put my laptop right here in the docking station and it allows me to just work from the monitors that I have set up in my office. It can handle very well and very fast all the tasks and all the devices that are connected to it. So if you're looking for a very good quality, very reliable docking station, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.